Stop scrolling. If you are dealing with constant drinking, buzzing, or hearing that doesn't seem right, you need to hear this because what I'm about to tell you will definitely change your life for sure. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to talk about a natural supplement that's been exploding online. Yes, it is Quitum Plus, a natural solution claiming to support your ear health, reduce inflammation, and reduce the tinnitus symptoms and help you enjoy the sounds that you have been missing. But is it real? Let's break it down fast, honest, and straight to the point. But first, listen carefully. This is the most important part of the video. As you have already know that the Quidem Plus has been so successful in the past that there are a lot of fake websites popping up. These fake portals look like the real ones but contain cheap fillers that could make your ringing worse. Please do not fall for them. To keep you safe, I have found the official manufacturer's link and put it right in the description below to make sure that you only buy the right product. Now you might be thinking that what is Quitum Plus? Quitum Plus is a herbal based ear health supplement made with plant extracts, vitamins, and antioxidants designed to help your ears function naturally without harsh drugs and invasive products. It is crafted to support healthy inner circulation, reduce inflammation, and target the ear to brain communication pathway because it is a key factor in why some people hear ringing and buzzing in the first place. Unlike eardrops or masking devices that only hide symptoms, Coidum Plus claims to go deeper. Its formula may improve auditory nerve function, increase blood flow to inner ear cells, reduce oxidative stress, and support clear hearing and calmer neural pathways. The idea is not to just mask the noise, but to help your body support its own hearing mechanisms. Now, let's talk about the ingredients because this is where the science becomes interesting. It has Mucuna pruriens and maca root because it may help improve signaling and reduce inflammation. Epimedium and Tribulus territris. These are the antioxidants for long-term hearing support. Ginger and Dong Quai will work on your circulation and neural health boosters. These plant extracts work together to support ear comfort and nerve communication, overall ear wellness naturally. Now I have to be real with you guys because this isn't a magic pill that works in 2 hours. Since it's a natural supplement, it takes times to build up in your system. Most people start feeling a difference, a lowering of the volume after 3 to 4 weeks of consistent use. So just don't take one pill and give up. Give it a fair shot. Now, the best part is the company backs this up with a 60-day money back guarantee. This means that you can try it for 2 whole months, and if the ringing doesn't stop or you aren't satisfied for any reason, you can simply get a full refund. So the risk is on them, not on you. I highly recommend checking the link below to see if the discounted packages are still in stock because they often come with free bonus guides that help you manage your hearing health. Stop letting that noise control your life. And if you have any doubt, you can comment down below. Click the link, give Curtain Plus a try, enjoy the silence. Thanks for watching and stay healthy.